One of the great new products here at SEMA has already been on Motorhead Garage. You might remember, this is Zach from Quick Covers. Zach, what are you showing us? What is this?
Hey Joe, where we come from, rust is a huge problem. We're in the Salt Belt, Midwest to the Northeast. Trucks rust out really fast. A lot of people don't want to spend $5,000 on their truck. Sometimes that's the value of the vehicle, right? So what we've come up with is a plastic one-piece cover, cab, corner, and rocker integrated into one. Check this out. So the trucks that come to our shop look just like this. Rusty, they're really crummy, really expensive to repair conventionally. So what we do is we take the rust, get rid of it. We want to do a really thorough job of treating it inside and outside with a rust inhibitor. That way we can prevent the spread of the rust. Then we take our covers after they're painted, put them on the truck, looks brand new again, and it's a fraction of the price of doing it the other way. And the people that are coming looking at something for this price point aren't looking for something structural. They want it to look good again on the outside, and by adding that rust preventative, we can prevent the issue from getting worse. So we say this isn't restoration, this is about preservation.
And so what do you get in the kit?
You get covers for both sides, all the attachment hardware, so the adhesive tape, rivets along the bottom. If it's really rusty and there's nothing to rivet to, we also have a patent pending bracket kit, and that's all included in the kit. Retail for $3.99. We have discounts available for body shops and wholesalers, but it's everything you need except for the rust inhibitor and the paint to make your truck look new again.
That is incredible. And just like that, it looks like new. You got to get it covered with Quick Cover.